It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. I am back. I got some Kringle candles for you guys tonight. So, as many of you know, Kringle Candle launched 4 new reserve candles today and a whole bunch of 3 wicks that are kind of like limited edition. When they're sold out, they're sold out. You cannot use the ambassador codes on them, but they're a good deal at 3 for $33, which is $11 each. And they have some really neat scents like bubble baths. So check those out. I am a Kringle Candle ambassador. So like I said, if you use the code Queen Geeks, you're going to get 15% off. And Kringle Candle did send me these candles to review and preview. So I'm burning Lemon Splash right now. Earlier today, I burned Minty Melon. So I'm going to tell you which one I prefer. Minty Melon was a total dream candle for me. It smells exactly like watermelon and mint. There's a fresh garden mint element in here. It is melon, mint leaf, citrus, herbal, sweet, and musk. It was strong. Love this one. Very herbally. Oh, this is definitely in the top 2 of this collection. Minty Melon, fresh watermelon, the mint, love it. It's super strong. My number 1 in this collection is definitely Cherry Cola. Oh my gosh. Love this one. This one is like a dream for me. I did not burn White Lotus yet, but like I said, I am now burning the Lemon Splash. Lemon Splash is a powerhouse. It's almost too strong in my house, I gotta say. So this one is actually, where are the scent notes on here? Lemon, citrus zest, sparkling aldehyde, citrus, green, and sugar. There's a lot of green in here too. Actually, my husband was like, what does that lemon smell? I smell something lemon, and he's like 2 rooms away. I'm like, it's my candle. So this one is a powerhouse. If you like your lemon zesty and with greens, I think you're going to love this one. If you prefer lemon like pound cake or lemon bars, you might want to choose a different candle. But this one is a really good green, fresh, sparkling, zesty lemon scent. Touch of sugar in there, but it is a powerhouse. Like I said, I've had this going for a couple hours, and it's almost too strong for me. Of the 2, if you're trying to decide between the lemon and the melon or Misty Melon, I prefer Misty Melon just because I'm a fan of watermelon. So if you like watermelon and mint, I definitely think you're going to like that. So those 4 are online right now. And then, like I said, they also have these new 3 wicks, baby powder, bubble bath, garden park, golden vineyard, which looks amazing. Grandma's lemonade. I kind of want to get that one. Letters from the heart. Life's a beach, love and roses. Magnolia sounds delightful. Mahogany. Melon medley, Mystic Trail, pistachio cream. I know a lot of people wanted pistachio cream. Sandy Shores, strawberry jam. Strawberry jam sounds good. Sugar plum, teakwood, tropical bloom, and vacay. So a lot going on at Kringle. Also, Easter is on sale, I think. Yes, 30% off Easter and floral. So if you've been wanting some of those Easter candles, I think you can roll the ambassador code Queen Geeks into like the carrot cake or the chocolate egg. So anyway, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know which Kringle is your favorite. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.